Hi everyone, good morning. Just give me a second. Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead, guys. Doubts? Okay, guys, doubts.
Hi Rajeshwar,
Hi.
this is Pawan.
Hey, Pawan. Yeah, recent. Just now we talked
Yeah,
about something, right? Yeah, just a second. See
yeah,
here.
I have been pin you in
I got it. I got
Telegram
it.
about that white color in donut chart.
Yeah. I got it. So that is what I'm discussing right now. Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Now see here, when you are talking about a donut chart, now here I'm going into this, and again I'm going into, like, I need not talk about these, but still I know majority of you know how to build a donut chart. Actually, your doubt is not donut chart, right? How do we get white color in here, right? That is what your doubt is.
Yes.
Then
Not
let's
the
go and
donut chart.
discuss.
How do we
Then
get white color?
yeah.
And in
So
donut chart, we are cutting different colors now, either
mm-hmm.
2 or 3 colors.
Mm-hmm.
In
Okay.
that colors, I need some space between the 2 colors mixing. I like a small white part.
Space. I think then you can try these borders.
Borders.
Yeah, borders. Got it?
Okay. And what about the white color?
Yeah.
Borders,
So
okay.
when you go into edit colors, now here you have these options. Now what his doubt is, here he is not able to get white color of any sort. Anywhere white color is not present. So how to get the white color? Actually, when you double click, suppose for consumer I want to give, right? I am double clicking on consumer, right? Now here you have this HTML, right? This
Okay.
place, which actually see here there is a white color. If you see this white color,
Okay.
okay, and I got my white color, apply. Okay,
Okay. Thanks. Thank you very
thank
much.
you. Okay, any other doubts, guys?
Thank you, Rajeshwar.
Thank you. Any other doubts? Yeah, Vikram, go ahead. You are not Vikram, right? I am not able to spell it. Vikram VRM.
Yeah,
So,
Vikram.
Vikram
Sorry,
only, right?
Vikram.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm correct then.
yeah,
Vikram. Yeah. Okay.
Vikram. Actually, there is
Oh,
a
your name
requirement.
is Vikram.
Yeah, Vikram.
Vikram only, right?
VIKRM.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
I sent you the message in your Raipati group. Would you like
You
to have a look once?
you sent, what did you send?
I sent a message in the Raipati group.
Yeah, but I don't know where it is. You're talking about showing partially.
No, not that one. Actually, that one I need to adjust the height.
Can you please share your
So,
screen and ask better?
oh yeah, sure. Give me a second. Meanwhile, it is just stuck my system. Anyone have any other question, they can raise it.
Guys, anyone has any questions? one has any questions today? Okay. Guys, any questions? Go ahead, Pavan.
Hi Rajeshwar.
Hi, hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I share my screen?
Sure, go ahead. You sharing, Pavan?
Yeah. Are you able to see that?
Yep.
Yeah, here I tried to visualization as a current year, and actually that is the year of fiscal year. So I need to display the sales according to month wise for the current year, as well as I need to display as that previous year as in the total. So everything is going to perfect, but here I need to write as a previous year. That means FY 2019, something like that.
Then the problem is you cannot alias dates. Because the reason is dates have their certain intricate hierarchies that you cannot alias date. So null you cannot alias that, right? That is what you are asking. You cannot null that. You cannot rename that.
Actually, I need to display this in the bottom.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. There you need to place. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. There you need a separate string to come, right? So for that, actually, let me share this. This is one of the scenarios that I discuss in the training, actually, because this is a very common problem. Now, let me not in specific to yours. Let me discuss in this in general. Now, generally, what happens is when I have my order date, is my order date. When I have my order date, let me go for month level, just like what he was asking, and then display. Now here you are seeing January 2020, right? I cannot alias this, I cannot edit this. I cannot, can you please mute guys? I'm getting that. So, as I cannot alias is the reason being there are these dates have certain hierarchies. You have year, month, and all, right? So if you alias it, it doesn't know how to behave when you go into the next level or the level up or any level for that. So here to get the string in here, get the string like any FY20, whatever he is talking about. If you want to get that, then first you need to convert your total values into data. Now there are many various ways. So what I am writing is if year of order date is equal to 2020, then I am writing this FY21, right? Else I'm taking okay, month of, sorry, just a moment, date name of month of order date plus. Now let me click on apply, okay, and I'm bringing this calculation here. Now you are getting your FY21. But the problem is the moment you remove this, the whatever the values that you are seeing is gone, right? So you need them in the proper date level sorting. But here you are getting them, it is doing in the alphabetic way because this is a string, right? Even first and all the months from January to December. So to get that, right click on this, click on sort, and in the sort, go to nested, and in here, I'm taking order date minimum. So now the whatever the calculation that you have written, right, it is getting sorted based on your order date. So you're sorting your field based on your order date. Then yes, you can show your string whatever you want, and then whatever the values that you want. But mind you, this is not a date field, this is a string field. Okay, did you get your answer?
Not exactly. Let me try with that scenario. I will come
You just convert that into string and then sort it by, like, follow the steps that I have shown you here. Okay,
Yeah.
if you don't get, we'll discuss tomorrow. Just a minute. Rahul, now I want to connect to MongoDB, but when I connect it is the MongoDB showing error. Lost connection, waiting for initial communication packet. Rahul Napa, I don't think it's possible to find the error by looking at it. Peer, send me send me a direct message on where is that Telegram? Let me show you Telegram here. So this is the group, Tableau Training. Either join in this and send me a DM, or you can directly DM me. I don't know how to show mine. So this is me.
Okay.
Please do DM. Okay. Is Rahul Napa present in here?
Yes, I am.
Oh, hi. Hey, hi. Yeah.
Hi.
Rahul, go ahead.
Hi.
Can you share your screen and show? Is that possible?
Yeah, sure.
But it is live streamed. It is being live streamed. I'm warning you.
It is a privacy concern.
Okay, DM me, VC. Because I am interested in looking at MongoDB connection. DM me, we'll look into it. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Any
Hello.
other? Yeah, hi.
Can I reset my screen?
Yeah, just go ahead.
Sure. Are you able to see?
About not yet. Not yet.
No.
About to, yes.
So here my query was that, for example, I was looking for the tooltip, right? So here you see the tooltip, it is showing, in some place it is showing full and some place it is showing partially. So here my query was like, I wanted to show only the second sheet which is there, this one, and the tooltip, or only.
Wait. You wanted to show only office supplies. That is what you're saying.
No, I wanted to show this sheet, whatever is there, right? Sheet 2 by 2, 2 of 2.
I didn't get
Entire
that.
category.
Wait. Can you go to your view? Can you go to your view? That view.
Okay, this is dashboard.
What is it that
So
you
I
are
wanted
showing? Wait. Go to that one. Go to that one first. Okay. This is the view that you are trying to look at. Okay. When wait. Let me lead the questioning. Let me lead the questioning, because when you explain, I'm not able to follow you. That is it. Okay.
Sorry, okay.
Now you have appliances. When you hover on that, what do you want to show?
Here when I hover over, I just want only for discount, I wanted to show in the tooltip, which is nothing but this one, entire view.
Only for a discount you want to show the tooltip.
Yeah, one of the specific field like discount and quantity. And for profit, I don't want so. So
Only for a discount you want to show the tooltip. You don't want to show for quality, profit and others. Tooltip. Well, the problem is when you show the text table, right? The problem is you have only one marks card, and the marks card decides what value should you be showing the marks card. And if you want to show it only for profit and not for others, because tooltip is defined by the marks card, showing only for one is not that much of a possibility. Okay, let me share this. Let's see. I'm
Sure.
not sure if I can give you a solution for this, but let's try.
No worries.
Yeah, so subcategory, I'm bringing sales and then profit and then quantity, whatever it is. So here you have defined one more where somewhere I'm bringing customer. Let me bring my customer center and then let me bring my this content. So here when you in the tooltip I'm inserting, let me remove all these. I'm
Share
inserting
your
the,
screen.
oh I didn't share my screen. Oh sorry guys, sorry,
No,
sorry,
no.
sorry. Yeah. So yeah, I'm here, right? So I just created those sheets. I'm just adding that in here and removing these and insert sheets and point filter all fields. But you can only filter them. You cannot remove them. That is the problem. So the moment I type OK in here, I will be getting to stop showing for measure values. Oh wait, yes, there is a way. Just a minute. Not sales profit. Perfect. Now I think we can. Let me go here and in the tooltip and removing the sheet. Do I have it in here? Now in this, I'm going into tooltip and I'm inserting sheet 20. Perfect. You saw this? Vikram? Nice.
Yes, I have the new.
You
I
got
saw
the, you
that
got
one.
it how to do it, right? Here you are getting tooltip
Yeah,
here, but
yeah.
not in here.
So here one more thing. Can we bring also the tooltip under the in the dimension or no? For
This
example, in the
here,
subcategory. Yeah. There also can I bring or no?
to bring it in here, let's discuss that in some other session because once I long back did it using parameter actions. But what do you want to show here?
The same tooltip. They wanted to show in the order ID and order the exam.
I want to
In that
show
way
the
they were mentioning.
tooltip in here. I'm not sure if we can show them. Got it? So what you should do is hide this one, right? Now you can show tooltip here as well. Okay?
Yeah, I got it. But here the thing is that we are missing the header, right? Like we don't know what is this subcategory.
Header is not a problem, I think. Just measure names and getting it in here. Yeah, measurements in here should have done that. Right? Oh, sorry. That is a header. To get to the header. Do one thing. For now, I'm not getting an idea, but you can append a sheet here, right? With the headers. Just go with that for now. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, you know that, right? How to append the sheet for titles, like headings. Just put
I'll
that.
take it on the.
Yeah, you do that, and then we'll see.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, guys, any doubts?
Yeah, Rajeshwar.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, Rajeshwar.
Yeah, go ahead, guys. Any one of you.
Yes. So I'm having one use case where we are having at least 50 columns. So
You have 50 columns.
yeah. So if you open the Tableau interface, I can
Okay.
just new sheet, and if you drag any dimensions over column
Okay.
like this, drag just 1 to 3, any 3 dimensions.
Okay. Two columns only, right?
Yeah, 2 columns. Yeah.
Okay.
So now here we are able to see the view in vertical manner. Means we are having those dimension in columnar way. But the requirement was to have this column in horizontal way. Means like the if you consider the first dimension like postal code, it should come in a row format like. But it is just Tableau is making is assuming it as a column itself only.
Wait. No, wait. I still didn't get you. When you say
or else you
here
can-
these are columns, then how are you again saying this is a column? This is a column, but giving the values in rows, right?
No. If you open Excel, I will,
Okay.
we will be able to explain in a better way.
Just okay.
Yeah. So first is attribute ATTR,
Let me copy this.
or we can go with column A, column B, like that.
Alright, this okay, it's not going to come. Okay, so you are saying if I have these. Okay, what are you saying? Go ahead.
Yeah, in Excel.
Okay.
In Excel, if you plot column A, column B, column C, column A, column B, and column C, like that, and column C. So, and if you suppose there are certain values, so now the columns are in
Okay, columns are in?
Columns are in a columnar format only, but now we want to have it in a row format. Like column A, in front of column A there will be the values. Then below column A there will be column B, and then in front of column B there will be the values of column B.
See, now you are taking column values as literal. Now here, now what actually it presents is, now here it is talking when you drag column B in Tableau, it represents all the values that are present in column B, it will put it in here. If you bring column B and column C, all the like discrete values of column B and column C combination, you will get them here. And the moment you bring column A to rows, then it will put the discrete values in here, and whatever you will be seeing here, right? It is here you will be seeing those measure values, right? Here.
Yeah.
So your requirement is a bit different. Now here you are representing column A. Does again, what do you now if you want to show something like this, these are not your dimensions. These should be certain values, right?
Yeah.
This column B is a string, column C is a string, column A is a string. Then you can represent it this way. Accept it. But column B is having certain values. Where will you represent them? Right? Because when you are representing it this way, you have only two places to represent, this one and this one. Right?
Like so now you means my use case was some different. Like above column A, we have mentioned in the
like
second
yes,
row
see,
column
the point is try to mimic that, because here it is, for us it's not possible. We are in some time where I am not understanding what you are saying and you are not able to convey what you do, right? So
Yeah.
try to mimic that situation, and then we will talk about that. Okay?
Sure. Yeah. Or else I will if possible tomorrow I will share my screen and
Yeah, that will be great actually.
yeah. Sure. Thank you, Rajesh.
Yeah.
Hello, Rajeshwar.
Hi.
Can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, Prajakta this side.
Hi.
Rajeshwar, I have one query. Like, I have two dashboards. Okay, so one dashboard is having bar chart and one table chart having YTD MTD calculations. Okay, for that I have filters like client name, year, and month. Okay, the filters are there. And another dashboard is having all the client name. Okay, that 273 client name. Okay, and some gross margin profit and that percentage EBIT percentage calculations are there. So my requirement is like the user want, suppose from that 273 client name are there on another dashboard. So if you click on one dashboard, if you click on one customer name, so that customer, that client name should reflect on that filter which you have on another dashboard. Like suppose ABC is one customer. So from 273 rows, if you click on that ABC customer name, so it should go to that another dashboard and ultimately automatically in the filter that ABC should get selected. So is it possible?
Very long question. Just a moment. Okay, you are saying you have two dashboards.
Right.
And in one dashboard, there is whatever you values you have. So in both the dashboards, you have a field called customer name. That's what you are saying, right?
In the only one dashboard, I have client name and their calculations, and another dashboard, only the bar chart is there and different table text chart is there and YTD, MTD calculations are there, but the filter client name is there. So by client wise, I can see the YTD, MTD.
So when you are filtering to certain client name, there also it should represent only that client name in the filter. That is what you are saying.
Correct.
Okay.
Row wise, yeah.
So let me create one. Here I am bringing customer name and their sales, and here I am bringing. Okay, you are saying here the only measures, right?
Suppose our order ID and sales. Okay, fine.
Whatever it is. So we are not bothered with what it is here, right? Now I'm going for a dash chart, and here I'm bringing my customer name, and I'm going into another dashboard, and I'm dragging this.
That budget, correct.
What happened? Okay, I think it is 23, not 24. Yes. So you are seeing, you are applying a filter action on this. Oh, why can't I use this as filter? Okay. I'm going into dashboard actions and this sheet, add actions, filter action, sheet 22 to dashboard to sheet. What? Sheet 23. Okay. I'm clicking on select, show all values. Okay. And so I am clicking on here, I am coming in here. Now the point is you have a filter in here.
I want, yeah.
Here you want to see only that this one, this person's name, right?
Right.
Okay. Now for that, I'm not showing this filter actually. Here I'm coming in here and I'm doing customer name. Okay. Apply, and also I'm going into sheet 22 and I'm bringing my customer.
They don't want client name filter here.
Don't
Only
worry.
by.
Wait, I'm not using that filter. Wait, let me complete. Then we'll talk. Okay. I'm sharing this to sheet 23. I'll not be showing this filter anywhere. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. So in my dashboard here, I have my filters. I'm bringing my customer name. Then if okay, then I am coming in here and I'm converting this into context and show filter. I'm coming in here, only values in the context. Only relevant values. Okay, then let me do one thing. Let me add this also to the context, and then let me duplicate this customer name and bring it here, and let me show filter here. Perfect. So here, now let me remove this filter. Here I am giving customer name copy, and here I am taking only relevant values. Right? Now here I am clicking on Adam Deliverance. We are getting only Adam Deliverance in here.
Okay.
Relevance. Is this what you want?
Yeah, the same.
So the way is to play with your context filters.
Context
Here in
filter,
this
right.
sheet, these two I made context and I duplicated that field and put it in here so that I can apply this option called as all only relevant values or all values in context. Anything it will give you the same. I think just a moment, I need not even make this context.
Okay.
Actually speaking, if I select only relevant values also should, you need not even go for context. But you need to duplicate the field, bring it and make it only relevant values.
Right, and in between that two need to make that only relevant, and one is all values.
Yes. So here you are not even if it is in sheet, you are not showing that customer name field to anyone. Right? I am clicking on ATHM, you are getting ATHM.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. So, so are you posting the link of this recorded session?
It is being live streamed.
Oh, okay, fine. I will get that.
I think you have the channel, right?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, I have a requirement like I need to count how many distinct time characters occurred Like I have a data like NA, it needs to count 2.
How many characters are there?
How many distinct time characters occurred?
Distinct times. Like if I'm saying my name is Rajeshwar, so
Yeah.
R
Sir,
A yeah.
R should be count in one time only.
Oh wow. So they want to see how many of them are counted.
Yesterday I have
Distinct.
posted in July 16th batch WhatsApp group.
Yeah, I said we'll discuss in the session. Okay, I didn't go through the question.
Yeah.
I just posted it in here. Okay, yours. Let me open that. Which batch are you saying?
Okay. Sir?
Which batch? 16, right?
16th batch, yes
Just
sir.
a minute. Like N is 1 and 10. You want to see the distinct values, want to remove all the duplicate strings, and then you want to get the total values. Okay. Now here it is going to be a very interesting scenario. So this to get to this problem is you need to define this. But you need to split this to understand and then convert it into ASCII. Wow, that is not going to help. What do I do then? Find, even if I use find and replace, I need to replace for everything. Well, that is not going to help. You want to count how many distinct characters are there. To count the distinct characters. Count the distinct characters. Now, one character duplication, yes, we can do it by removing, replace, and finding the when and all. But in a name, if they want to remove all the duplications, for that we need to identify each string, and we don't have looping concept in Tableau, so that is going to be a bit of a problem for us. Cannot even split that. I cannot even split it by anything like that. Yeah, I cannot even split it. But on this, I want to understand if there are any duplicate values. So if I want to do that, then do I to increment that value? In regular expressions, I strongly believe the solution for this should be in regular expressions, but I don't have any answer for this right now. Let me check with regular expressions and let me get back to you. Anyone who is good at regular expressions, let me post this in group. Okay, I'll post this in group. Anyone good with regular expressions, please do let me know. To solve this. This is going to be a very good scenario, guys. Whoever works on this will get a very good experience. And if anyone is good at regular expressions, please do let me know. We'll work on that. Okay, Priya, right?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I couldn't provide a solution right away because it is a bit out of the ordinary. Because something like this, if you want to do, we need something called as a looping concept. While loop, if loop, while loop, for loop, and all that concepts. And in Tableau, we don't have it. So the only way possible that I'm looking at is using regular expressions. But for that, I need help because I'm not that confident with regular expressions. Okay?
Okay.
We'll try to find a solution as soon as possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And guys, one more thing. A mock interview should have happened in the last Friday. So I didn't get any responses. So that is why the mock interviews didn't happen. So if anyone wants this mock interview to happen, DM me with your resume. I'll go through your resume and then I'll schedule a time where the interview should happen. Okay? Okay, guys. Any other doubts?
Rajeshwar, I have one doubt, Rajeshwar.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Actually, we have a column called data type. In that data type, I am having 5 like category. We are having furniture kind of columns. I am having in the data type. In that December, September, and YTD change. In that YTD change, we are minusing September minus December. And what they want the percentage of total amount divided by this data type. I'm getting the right percentage, but what happened now is the minus column I said, right, YTD, September minus December, that is also dividing.
That is also
Providing a percentage that has to provide September minus December percentage in that YTD change.
Wait. You mean to say in one row you want to show both value and as well as percentage, both.
Exactly. But I splitted the worksheet. One worksheet I am showing the values of total amount.
Wait, is that a text table?
Yes, Rajeshwar.
Then
Can I show? Can I switch on the video call and show to you?
Video call. Okay, you mean to say you will be showing from your mobile to you will be showing your screen.
Yes.
Let me present what I understood. Then we'll go and talk. So here you are saying. Okay. Now let me bring category and let me write a
category.
Let me write a calculation. If category is equal to furniture, then discount, else sales. Let me take this. And this I am bringing it to text. So your point is now here you need to show the percentage values and here you need to show the normal values.
No, not like that. And now here you are showing that the total amount of the discount.
Yeah.
Rajeshwar?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, in next screen, I have to show that what is the percentage of discount?
It's better you share your screen then.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Oh wow, okay. Dude, it's not at all visible.
Can you able to see this?
There you are having the values, okay?
So this is the value I'm telling. This December, September, here I'm having the total amount.
Okay.
So in the YTD, I am minus. I'm using the minus option. Like 520. September minus December. I'm getting the value here.
Okay.
And
Now when you are
so here I am
applying,
showing that exact percentage of September, December.
okay,
But here I need to show the difference between September and December. But instead of that, what it's coming, this 11,000 divided by 87,000. So I am getting the percentage here.
okay,
Instead of that, I need 0.30 like this value. So this is the percentage of September minus December.
you need the difference at the percentage values.
Yes.
Then use those percentage value. How did you get this YTD value below?
This YTD value is like September minus
That is
December.
what I am saying. Don't write directly September minus, right? When you want percentage differences, first get those percentage values.
I am having here.
Where?
See,
Bring those in your
I am having the
calculation, use
separate
those
sheet.
values, right? In your calculation, use those values.
Sorry.
Now, how did you get these values, decimals?
Okay. So I wrote one calculation. Metro Hub, I am having separate column.
Guys, it's becoming complicated to see it like this. I see the problem is you need to recreate this scenario because the thing is like using Superstore data or something. The reason being we are not able to see the calculation also. The screen is blur because you are showing from your camera to the screen, right? So it's not possible to look at that. Okay? So please do recreate this. We'll discuss this tomorrow.
Okay, Rajeshwar. I will try to recreate in my system.
Sure. Okay, someone else was asking a doubt.
Hi Rajesh, good morning. I have a doubt like, can we add a feedback section in the dashboard level? But I can implement but using parameter. So in this case, we can only capture a single user comment. We are not able to capture the multiple user comments. So is there any other alternative way for this feedback section to provide in dashboard level?
You are saying whenever a user is asking for, whenever the user wants to provide a feedback, then you are saying that.
Any feedback or any?
Yeah, you are saying that. So where is this feedback getting stored?
That will be stored in our the data source itself.
So you are using write back option?
No. I'm using a parameter, using a string. So it will capture the only single comment. If I enter any new comment, no, the previous comment will be restored and the new comment will be captured. So that is a limitation. So we want to be, like more comments to
No,
capture.
then you need to take a write back option into your database. Where if someone.
Okay, I mean, if you use a write back extension, that majorly it will be capturing our Google Sheets, but we are restricted for Google Sheet.
Okay. So where you want it to be in your database directly?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
But to get into, I think write back option provides you an option to edit your database as well, right? Not only Google Sheet.
No, it's asking for like to configure the Google Sheet API, something like that. It's not allowing other like even in Excel also not.
So here in the extensions. Yeah, right. This one only, right?
I think we have another three extensions with there.
but this write back option, right? It should be helpful.
Okay.
Write back free. This one.
Yeah. Yeah, this one, the last one.
On a Google Sheet, but you cannot use this. Or again, you don't have access to Google Sheet.
Yeah, we cannot use Google.
Then you can use the other one.
No,
right?
we are restricted to Google Sheet.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Then you can use something others. Right?
Okay.
You need to see. This is a game of extensions only, because that option directly is not possible in Tableau. So it is, you have to write.
Okay.
You have to go through and check with these write back options, whatever the extensions that you have, and based on that only you will get. Because normal other, I think other the paid ones that are there, in general write back option was given to actually send data back or write back data back into your database. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to get to work
Yes.
on those extensions, and you should.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, any doubts? Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Can you have a look on your Tableau group? I mean, like your Tableau message, Telegram,
Just.
personal. Your personal.
Where is it?
Your personal. Your personal, I think, yeah.
This one.
This one. I mean, your personal Telegram.
Your voice is not clear.
I'm saying that in your personal Telegram chat I send you.
Not
It
clear.
was
Not
sent.
clear again.
I'm saying that in your personal Telegram group chat,
In
your personal Telegram.
personal Telegram. Okay. Vikram, right?
Yeah, Vikram. So here in this one, the second one, main concern is this one. Sum of unapproved forecast spend filtered to include only event with shipment start date equal to or greater than 7 days. So I was trying to replicate this one using the sample superstore. Yeah, considering order ID and the shipment or the customer. So here my concern is like how to approach for this filter. Shipment start greater than equal to 7 days.
You can use date diff, right? Shipment start greater than or equal to 7 days. Now there should be one column which is talking about filter to include only events within which shipment start date. Now what do you mean by shipment start date less than or equal to 7 days? Now generally if you talk about superstore data, there is an order date and ship date, right? Now now when I define the difference between my order date and ship date, that is the number of days that is taken for the shipment to send this product from here to there. Now here in this they are asking the shipment start date is less than or equal to 7 days. I think there might, if you take that, the first thing that I think is today. If I take my current day, if my shipment has started, whatever the start date of the shipment is less than or equal to between last 7 days and current day.
Yeah, from today they mean.
Then you can take date diff, right? Date diff of day comma like order date or whatever the date that you have, comma today is less than or equal to 7.
Okay.
Then you will get it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So then I have to use that one in determining the unapproved spend.
Pardon?
Then I have to include the ALD to determine the
Voice is not clear at all.
Okay. I'm saying that in order to determine the unapproved forecast spend after determining the date, I need to use in the LOD?
I don't know. Without looking at the data, I can't tell you.
Okay.
Because see, when I'm saying there is a column called as unapproved FSCT spend, then you can take it directly from here. And the requirement of an LOD will only and only come when you have clarity on your data. Without looking at data, like for this, I cannot suggest whether it's an LOD or not. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So guys, last 4 minutes.
Hi Rajeshwar.
Hi.
Few days back, one of the member asked for that about the top 5 and other in the each category.
Yeah. You got it?
No, actually, I am trying with the different scenarios, but I can't able to get that one.
Yeah, I tried a lot of ways.
While using that set functions, we are able to see that only one region, not at a time
Yeah.
the
For
all
set
regions.
top 5 anything. See, for to get a two-dimensional level top 5 or top n, the only option that we have is rank or index or
Index.
whatever it is. Like first, last also you can get it. But the problem is for the others, rank you can directly get it. For others, you need to keep the data in sorted format. But here the problem is now getting the other cities as the value called other. That is the biggest problem here. And it can be achieved, but it will be a very static one. It will not change based on your any filters or anything. So that is the biggest problem in here, which I am not able to resolve. I tried a lot of ways, but since it is being a table calculation, we cannot actually show it. Okay? If you find a solution, please do let me know. Even I am very much eagerly waiting for the solution.
Yeah, in the index and rank functions, we are using the table calculation, right?
Yeah,
If
table
you do
calculation
that,
will not
still it's
resolve
going to-
because
yeah.
using table calculations you cannot change the level of detail of the view where you want the others other than those cities as other, right? Other than the top 5, you need them as other, right? So that level of you cannot change the level of granularity of the view using table calculation. And to get two-dimensional top 5, the only way he present is using table calculation. So that is the fix where I am still not getting out.
Okay.
Okay guys, it's almost time because I have one more work attached to it. We'll again meet tomorrow the same time. Okay then everyone, thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, Rajeshwar. Thank you all.
Thank you.